Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a tutorial on these Valentine's Day look is on this side and Anti-Valentine's Day look is on this side. So before we jump in, I do want to talk about this sweatshirt that I am wearing. This sweatshirt was sent to me, but it is not sponsored in any means, any shape or form. I'm not being paid to say any of this. But I did want to talk about how cute it was. Like, I wanted to show you guys how cute this sweatshirt is. And it's really nicely embroidered. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with any of this like falling off when it gets washed or any of that. I just thought it was super cute and super comfy, but you could still dress it up and like wear it with like a cute pair of leggings and boots, or you could dress it down and, you know, wear it with, I don't know, flats or combat boots or whatever and still be like cozy but cute at the same time. So it's definitely the best of both worlds and I suggest you guys check it out. So I will leave a link down below in the description box so you can get one for yourself. Alright, so now let's talk about why I have two different looks on my face. So Valentine's Day is coming up and I wanted to incorporate everyone into this little tutorial. I know a lot of people don't like Valentine's Day, especially if they're single. It's not the greatest time, I guess. But I mean, I certainly do like Valentine's Day and I always have. And so this side is definitely for me. This is the first look that I ever done with lashes ever, so if they look like they're coming up or anything, I'm sorry about that. This is my first time ever putting lashes on even, so please be easy on me. But anyways, I'm sorry for this long intro. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So starting right off with the Valentine's Day side, I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is clearly well loved, but I'm going in with Bon Fresco as my transition shade. So I'm taking a piece of tape and I'm just lining up where I want kind of my winged shadow to be. I've never done this before, but I really liked how it came out in the end, so I definitely will be doing this technique more often. Okay, now I'm going to take Love Letter and Venetian Red and focus that on the outer and inner corner on a flat shader brush. And I went back in with the first transition shade that we used, Bon Fresco, kind of throughout this whole look, just to keep everything seamless and blended. And now I'm taking it up into the crease a little bit, just to make sure everything is again very blended. I seriously just kept on blending because there was a point where it was looking patchy And I was like, uh-oh, like so I just kept blending until my hands were about to fall off. So just, if you're getting discouraged, just keep on blending. Now I'm going back in with Love Letter and Venetian Red in the inner and outer corner just to deepen it up because I kind of lost some of that when I was blending. Now I went in with Red Ochre and I added that to my inner and outer corner as well. Since I'm doing a halo eye, I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape just in the middle part of my lid. Then I go in with the shade Vermeer. Going back in with the shade Bon Fresco just to make sure everything is blended. Going back in with Love Letter and Venetian Red just to blend out those harsh lines and make sure everything is seamless. Now I'm going in with a little bit of my e.l.f. glitter primer. And now I'm taking a little bit of this loose, sparkly pink glitter on my lid. I found this glitter on Amazon, but any glitter will work fine. After I applied the glitter, I removed the tape, which was the most satisfying feeling in the entire world. Taking the first shade we used, Bon Fresco, on a little pencil brush to go in on my lower lash line. Now I'm going back in with Love Letter and Venetian Red on my lower lash line. Now to start my other eye for my Anti-Valentine's Day look, I went in with tape again because I really liked how that winged out shadow came out on the other eye, so I thought I would do it for this eye as well. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, So I got ahead of myself and I started going in with Abyss right away without a transition shade, but then I realized and I go back in with a transition shade. Going in now with Pooter as my transition shade. And now I'm taking Abyss, which is the black color in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm going back in with Pooter just to blend everything out. After I blended out that black, I added a few shadows on top, like on my lid, and I hated it. I thought it just looked kind of muddy and boring. So now I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I am basically just erasing what I had put on that lid prior to now. Now I'm going in with the color Obsessed all over my lid. Going back in with Abyss just to deepen everything up and blend out any harsh lines. Alright, it's time to remove the tape. Ugh, I love that. So satisfying. I took a little glitter primer and I put that down just because I wanted to add a little pop to this look. I thought it was kind of bland. So I'm going in with the teeniest, tiniest bit of that pink glitter that we used on the other side of my face. And now I'm going back in with Abyss on my lower lash line. Here you can see me struggling to put lashes on for the first time. These are the Eyelure Volume Lashes, number 107. I also popped a liquid lipstick on by ColourPop in the shade Magic Wand. Alright guys, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I really hoped you liked my take on the Valentine's Day versus Anti-Valentine's Day looks. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what side was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave to follow me on my YouTube journey, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!